In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you'll know two clean ways to crop, how to soften the edges, and how to refine the framing so your shot looks intentional and polished. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and heading to the Edit page. In your timeline, click to select the clip you want to crop. With the clip selected, look to the top right of the interface and click the Inspector button to open your clip controls. Inside the inspector, switch to the cropping section. You'll see sliders labeled top, bottom, left, and right. Drag these to trim in the edges until you've framed your subject the way you want. If the cut edges feel a bit harsh, increase softness to feather them for a more natural blend, which is especially handy when you're creating picture-in-picture looks or hiding unwanted frame elements. There's also a fast visual way to crop directly in the viewer. Still on the edit page, glance at the bottom left corner of the viewer for a small drop-down menu. It usually defaults to transform, click it and change it to crop. Now you can drag the on-screen handles on the edges of your image to crop interactively, which is great when you want to see the composition update in real time as you adjust. After cropping, you might notice black bars or a tighter frame than you want. Use zoom in the inspector to scale the image up so it fills your frame or brings more attention to your subject. Just remember, zooming in too far can reduce perceived sharpness, so increase it only as much as you need. If the subject ends up off-center after the crop and zoom, adjust position under the transform controls to nudge the image left, right, up, or down until your framing feels balanced. If you want the crop to change over time, you can animate it. In the cropping section of the inspector, click the small diamond icon to the right of any cropping slider to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to a new point in the timeline and change the crop values. Resolve will create the animation between those points. You can keyframe softness as well for a subtle reveal or hide. That's it. Open your project, select your clip, crop in the inspector or directly in the viewer. Refine with softness, then finish with zoom and position for a clean professional result.